Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous video, we have discussed about the construction and operation of compound or balance or pilot operated pressure relief valve. In this video, we are going to discuss about the pressure sequence valve. So the pressure sequence valve is a special type of valve which will be used when the cylinders or the systems or the motors will be using we are using is more than one, probably two or three. So it is used to sequence the operations or sequence the cylinders when it is used for multiple cylinder applications. So that is the concept of pressure sequence valve. So in this uh, lecture, we are going to discuss about the function of pressure sequence valve and the construction and operation of pressure sequence valve. So the sequence valve allows the automatic sequencing of two or more than two actuators in the hydraulic circuit. For example, drilling clamping circuit. Here we are using two cylinders. One is used for clamping and another one is used for drilling. So first we have to clamp the workpiece and then we have to go for drilling. So this sequence can be designed and sequenced by pressure sequence valve. The primary actuator moves as soon as the fluid flow is directed to the actuator section of the circuit. Then the sequence valve blocks the flow for the secondary circuit until the predetermined pressure is reached, then allows fluid to the actuator. So the sequencing of cylinder can be typically happen. So this valve, one thing we have to remember is always this valve is fitted with the check valve. So the check valve is the integral part of the pressure sequence valve. So this check valve allows free flow of the fluid around the valve when the direction of actuator is reversed. If the check valve is not incorporated in this sequence valve, then the reverse flow cannot be possible. So the details will be illustrated in the figure. So in this figure, we have a valve body, and inside the valve body, spool is there. So the spool is subjected to the spring force. Then the tension of the spring can be adjusted by adjusting the screw. And we have three ports. One is connected to the pump and another one is connected to the initial circuit. Then the secondary circuit is connected to the another port. And as I mentioned earlier, the check valve is the integral part of this. Consider the flow is fluid is flowing at the top from the top port to bottom. So the fluid will directly enters in the initial circuit. When the pressure when the initial circuit is actuated, the pressure will exceed the certain limit. So that can be sensed by the pilot line. So the spool is subjected to against the oil pressure. The oil pressure exceeds the spring pressure. The spool will move and block the initial circuit, and which allows the fluid to the secondary circuit. So this sequencing can be performed when the secondary circuit comes into operation. When the fluid pressure is reduced, the puppet or the spool comes to its original position and the initial circuit can be opened to the reverse flow and the secondary circuit is blocked. The secondary circuit flow will be happen via the check valve. This is how the pressure sequence valve will work and sequencing can be accomplished. And these are all the references for my presentation. First reference, fluid power. authored by Anthony Esposito, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi, the year of 2003. And my second reference, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines, authored by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi, the year 2021. In this lecture series video, we have discussed about the construction and operation of pressure sequence valve and the how the check valve is the integral part of the pressure sequence valve. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video.